What is up, y'all? Welcome to Friday. New month, November the 1st. So I'd like to quickly go over my stats from last month. From October, I took 18 trades. In October, I won 10 and I lost 8 with a win rate of 55.5%. My account on the Combine changed by 5.48% and I obviously passed it. And so far on the XFA in October, I've made 1.57%. Most of the trades in October, the losses 1, 2, 3, 4. So half of the losses were angry face losses. Losses that shouldn't. I think 5 because one of them there was 2 trades. Um, there was one there was 2 trades. Might be this one. Yeah, 1, 2. So 5 of the 8 losses were angry face losses where I did something wrong. So there is still room for improvement on that front. But today is Friday. We've had NFP come out. We've got ISM manufacturing at 10. So a setup before 9:55, I'll take it. And let's jump right in. So on the 4 hour on NQ, got these 4 hour highs, and then these 4 hour imbalances. And then these 4 hour lows right here, move down, move up. And then on the 1 hour, we've got 1 hour lows right here. These 1 hour lows have been taken pre-market, which were the data lows from NFP. We've also got these 1 hour lows and these 1 hour lows on NQ. As you can see here is the data low. We've just taken that out pre-market, so I'm not caring about it. I'm going to mark on these 15-minute highs as a bit of a reference in case you want to just come up there and dump. You never know what could happen. We have got news at 10. ES is a bit similar. There's a lot more imbalances. We've got all these 4 hour imbalances that haven't been touched at all on ES, along with these 4 hour highs. And to the downside, there is these 4 hour lows. On the 1 hour, we've just got these 1 hour lows right here, and then this 1 hour imbalance along with 1 hour highs at that imbalance. That is pretty much it. If price hits the imbalances or the high time frame highs, waiting for a 5 minute move down, 5 minute up candle retrace, and then shorts with 1 minute confirmations. If price comes down to the high time frame lows or the high time frame imbalances, then the opposite. Pretty simple stuff. I'm going to mark out this 50. I believe that is the data low on ES that has not been taken yet. Just going to mark that out and also mark the 15-minute high out. And we'll see how price responds. That is my pre-market analysis. I'll catch you guys if I've won, lost, or not taken a trade again. It's been Monday away from charts, Tuesday a win, and then Wednesday and Thursday, no trading days. I've sat at the computer, but no trades have presented themselves, so I haven't took one. So I'll catch you guys in a second. What is up, y'all? Flawless week. Because as you can see, I'm logged into my broker and there's been 0 execution arrows, 0 trades yet again. No lows were swept, so I was not looking for longs. Price then came up to those imbalances, and there was just no 5 minute retrace until it was time for me to get off the charts. So let's jump right in quickly. I believe, yeah, NQ, right, was $2.50 away from sweeping out 1 hour lows, and then this entire day would have been different. I would have ended up probably taking a long, but no low was swept, so I was not looking for longs. Let's jump right in. So to the downside, we had those 1 hour lows marked out right here. These ones got taken pre-market, as you can see. If I draw on a line, they were taken pre-market right there and again right there. I'm not using that as a trade, even though they are 1 hour lows, but they're taken pre-market. I'm not using them because sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It's something I want to just get rid of. I don't want to have that question to have to ask myself, should I take this pre-market sweep or not? So I didn't care about it. Today it ended up working, but I don't care. We don't care. So the next lows are these 1 hour lows right here, and then we had 1 hour lows, and then 1 hour, 4 hour lows down there. Price hit none of them after market open, and then just ran itself up, taking out. Wait, there's no 1 hour highs on NQ, but yeah, no lows swept, no nothing, and then NQ came up and filled this 4-hour imbalance right here. I didn't draw on this one because we'd already were interacting in it pre-market. Same with this imbalance. We'd already come into it and got a reaction out multiple times, so I didn't want to draw it on. But on NQ, price came into this 4-hour imbalance, didn't give any form of selling pressure at all until right here at 10:30. This candle closed at 10:35. I'm like, awesome. We had a 1-minute break of structure right there. I'm like, right, let's wait for a 5-minute retrace candle up. We get one here, closing at 10:50. My cutoff time's 11 a.m. anyway. I don't really want to take a trade now. It's way too late in the session, but I took on 5-minute equilibrium just for the sake of it. And then there's like these imbalances above equilibrium. We come in, we fill it, we get a reaction, but that is at 11:01. I'm not entering there anyway because I'd want to see this imbalance get invalidated before entering. But no trades taken. Right decision yet again. Say those 1-hour lows have been swept out. I'd look for this 5-minute retrace, closes at 10:05. After 10:05, you can look for a trade, which is right here. You have this imbalance, this break of structure, this imbalance, the reaction out of it. Stop at the open of the first of the three, right there. Target even just the midpoint of the 4-hour imbalance. The top hasn't been hit yet. It might do. You never know. But or even 3/4 would do. That's still a lot of money if you're taking one contract on NQ. So that the lows never got swept out, so that long was never in question because there was no sweep of the lows. ES now, a bit similar. We had those 15-minute lows marked out right there, and the 1-hour imbalance, and the 1-hour lows, and the 1-hour lows. Again, none of those got hit, so I was not looking for any form of longs. And then price came into this 4-hour imbalance right here, pretty much straight away. Gave a down candle, and then the retrace candle was just closed above the high, so did not even consider taking a short off that. So, yeah, and then same thing here. Price came into this new 4-hour imbalance, gave us some selling pressure, gave a 5-minute retrace, yet again, really late on in the session. Not keen on trading it. Price comes into it, fills out this imbalance and gives a reaction. And does close out of equilibrium. But again, as I said, it would have been stopped out. And that is why I don't trade after 11 o'clock, because I just don't want to, for one. And for two, it's too late in the session. So yet again, no trading day, which means if we look at the week, it has been a flawless week. Give it a bit of that. Obviously, we risked 0%, and we made 0%. As you can see, I've been journaling the last couple no trading days as well. Still got to put the work in. This was my win on Tuesday, and that's the only trade for the week. So, as you can see, one trade this week. One trade this week, one win. Made 1.32% for the week. That's a good week, regardless. And yeah, that's all I can say, really. That's all I've got. I hope you guys have had a good trading week as well. Elections next Tuesday, so I probably will just avoid Monday, to be honest, what we got next week. It's a no news Monday before elections. I'm going to sit at the chart still and I'm going to watch price action, but it's a no news Monday before elections, and then I'd be open to trade after elections completely. I'm not trading on election day. Why would you do that? So yeah, no trades from me for most of this week. I know the trade recaps will have been really boring because there's been no trades to recap. That being said, have a nice weekend. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. One thing I forgot to say in that video that I just recorded was I did actually go into today not really wanting to trade. I think I said 10 minutes into market open, it's looking like an up only kind of day, and there's been no low swept out, so that means I can't look for longs, and I wouldn't want to short this anyway. So I knew from open I wouldn't be taking a trade really. As soon as price gave those legs up after not taking the low after 9:30, I was like, right, yeah, we ain't getting anything else now. So there's a picture of me saying it in the server to my friends. Yeah, there's nothing I can do. I'm just happy I didn't take a setup when my trade setup didn't come. No trading week. Well, one trade week. Flawless week. Uh, that being said, guys, catch you in the next one. Have a nice weekend and see you all next week. Peace out.